Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this short tutorial I will show you how you can fix the OpenGraph thumbnail issue in your WordPress website. So let me just show you how it works. So when I copy my URL from here and I will go to Telegram and I will here click on paste. Now I will click on send, and as you can see there is an image showing in the home page. So I have set this image as a OpenGraph thumbnail image. So let's check how you can set up this in your WordPress website. So for this we are going to use the Rankmath plugin, and you can also use the 𝗤𝗚 plugin. So to set up this you need to go to Rankmath, and under the setting just click on title and meta. And here you will see this option global meta tags. Just scroll down and here you will see this option OpenGraph thumbnails. So you need to click on add or upload file. So just click on here, and here I will choose from media library. So as you can see I have choose this image as a OpenGraph thumbnail. So I will click on use this file, and under the Twitter card type you can select the summary card with large image. Now click on save changes so that it will act as a OpenGraph thumbnail for your WordPress website. And to select the same in post, you can just go to the post here, and let me just edit an existing blog post, and here I will click on setting, and you need to upload your image as a feature image, and after that Rankmath will automatically take that image as a OpenGraph image. And as you can see here it will show a preview snippet, and when we share the link in the Facebook it will looks like this, and when we share the link in the Twitter it will looks like this. So in this way you can fix this image OpenGraph thumbnail image in your WordPress website. And if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if this content is helpful to you, then hit the like button. Thank you.